guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since I posted like a beauty related video. But I'm back today. My skin isn't 100%, but I do miss messing around with a full face of makeup, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Show you guys what I've been doing recently to like my face before. I am gonna put on a lot of moisturizer because I went to the beach, and yeah, so I have these face shavers, and I've been shaving my face. So I just use the Pond's Dry Skin Cream right here. Yeah, okay, anyways. So I'm back. So I put the Fair Warm e.l.f. concealer. I have e.l.f. foundation. You guys let me know if it ain't it. But anyways, so I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. No shocker. Tea. Because I want to use Jada. This one, yeah, I want to use Jada, and I want to do an all matte eyeshadow look, with the only shimmer being the inner corner. So yeah, I have a Milani brush, big fat brush, and you see I have the color there. Okay, and now we're just gonna pack on all over the lid. Okay, so taking a Clinique Cosmetics 103 brush, and I'm going to be packing creamsicle right above the Jada shade. Taking a Morphe M441 dirty. I'm gonna get creamsicle, really pack it on the brush, and just go in. With a Milani blending brush, going to go in with Silk Cream and just blend all the way up to my brow bone, almost right on my brow. However, you do want to be careful if you do powdered brows so that you don't mix in the colors that you did with your brows onto your eyelid. Okay. And I'm gonna go back in with Jada and just slowly bring it up. I want to bring Jada a little bit higher. I know what you guys are gonna say. Rosa, what are you thinking? Let's see if it looks better with lashes on. So what I did do was mix Jada and Jada and creamsicle and just run along here. So what I'm going to do is do the rest of my face, contour, highlight, all that good stuff, blush and everything. Yeah, I'm using blush and lashes. now show you guys the final product. Hopefully I'm not like out of my mind doing something horrible. See? So yeah, that's one. Now I gotta do the other one. Obviously I'm gonna do lips, but let me go ahead and do highlighter. So I'm using the Lunch Money Super Shock Cheek Paralyzed formula in Lunch Cosmetics number 4, and I forgot what collection. So I'm just going in first, because you know this formula is a bit different. Like it's kind of creamy, but whatever. Putting it like that. I want a more intense look, then I go in with my finger like that. So how do you guys feel about this look all done? I kind of like it, I kind of dig it. It's true that they say that lashes can change your one look. I think I'll do better if I keep practicing. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this look. I keep looking at myself. Hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To take it a step further, you guys can hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, go check out these photos. Bye.